Hello there, it's Jay here from Jay's Vintage Junk, and today I thought I've been car booting again this morning. First of all, actually, I'll say apologies for not finishing off on the master system repair yet. I've got absolutely snowed under with work, and I've had to put videos on hold for a little bit just while I catch up with some work. But I thought I'd make this one because I went car booting this morning, as I do. I thought I'd just make a quick video since it's a lovely nice Sunday afternoon and show you what I've picked up, because it's something rather interesting. I mean, some of the stuff I picked up was just grab them, just some I think they're like gaming headphones, but it's nice that they don't have a fixed cable on them. You use 3.5 jack in there, so I don't know if they're a fancy make or not, but they feel decent quality, and I paid £1 for them, so I think they were well worth £1. Next thing I got, and I also paid £1 for it, was that. I absolutely love vintage saws. I've got quite a few of them, and I restore them. I refinish them like that, refinish the handle. I reset all the teeth on them, sharpen them up, and I actually use them. I actually quite like working with these old vintage saws. They're a lot heavier than a modern saw. If they're set right, they can absolutely fly through wood. So I paid £1 for that as well, and it's a smaller version of a saw I already have, which I think is from about 1945, so I think this is probably about the same age. And this also, and this is what I thought I'd actually make the video about, this is also the same age. And what we've got here, this is something rather interesting. This is ex-military, and it's actually got the guy who owns its details. I have to be a bit careful, I don't want to give away too much information, but it was a captain, Captain Hilton. And what this is, if you look there, WW2 1945, we've got a serial number there, and this is an officer's sleeping kit, tropical sleeping kit. So basically what we've got is this is a military issue officer's sleeping bag. If we can, I'll just pull you back and see if you can see this a little bit better. I don't know how we're going to cope with the sun actually out here. Let me try moving you around, see if you can actually see this thing a bit better. But there, if we look, what we've got, try and pull it round. Like I said, it's a World War II. It's even got his military insignia on it. It's either an 8 or a 3. I think that's 884748. That says Hilton, ROJ AA, and then we've got a D there. So I think that would be his military number, which is quite interesting. Again here, we've got cabin, WOV, and it's Captain Hilton again, REME, then again his address is down there. So this is it's very very military, it's very rough and ready. But it's all there, it's complete. Unfortunately, the inside, the lining inside, the moths have got at it, and it's starting to, literally starting to fall to pieces. I'll just take you over and show you that. If you look here, this is the only bad thing about it. Like I said, it was stored in a shed apparently. The guy I bought this off, it was actually his father's. His father actually used it in the services. He was actually, like I said, he used it in the military. And yeah, unfortunately the moths have got to the lining, but they've not touched the canvas at all. The canvas is in absolutely excellent condition. So we've got the sleeping bag. I'll roll that up. And I am really, I mean, this thing's 70 years old. It really is in absolutely amazing condition. The canvas is in really, really, really nice condition. So we've got that, but that's not the best of it. Then I've not even figured out how we put it together yet, but what we've got here is we've got a chair. This is a military World War II officers folding field chair that I haven't figured out yet how to actually put it together. Let's see if we can do this live on camera. Well, not live, but you know, on camera. Right, so that pulls out like that. This must hook in somehow. They're the front ones. No, they can't possibly be the front ones. Somehow that must lock in there. I'll tell you what, I'm going to pause you and I'll be right back as soon as I've actually figured out how this thing goes together. So back in a second. Okay, we're back, and as you can see I've actually managed to figure out how to put it together, and it's not a bad little chair actually. It's very well engineered, it's very lightweight as you can see. But I mean, I'm quite a fair sized fella, and you look, I can sit down on it, and it's surprising. This is 70 years old. It's spent most of its life sat in someone's shed, and it still works. It can hold my weight no problem. It looks like it's actually quite comfortable. So yeah, that's the army officer's field chair. I'll show you how it collapses and how it works. Just bring you down a bit. Right, first, basically it all locks together. This is free. We can release that like that. That folds down. Then there's some catches on the front here. You need to release the catches, and that frees off this piece here. And then there's a strap underneath. I don't know if you have to release this strap. It just tightens the seat up basically. But we remove that strap, and that basically makes it a lot freer. And then we push the frame in. The seat detaches like that from them two hooks. This piece comes off. Now I wonder if that is designed so you can roll it up. Yeah, it is, look. You can roll that up, stick your strap through there like that, pull that in, and it keeps it tight. This collapses down like that. The seat folds in. And oops, sorry, you missed that. I was focusing on the wrong thing. But there we go. That's the seat basically collapsed down. So it falls into just that amount of space there. We'll move that in the sleeping bag so we're not finished yet. As well as that, we get this. Now the fella I did say said this did get used on like family camping trips when he was a kid and stuff like that. So with a bit of tape around it. But I have not. Hopefully everything's here. Because what we've got here is a bed. You look here. It just looks like the sleeping bag at the moment. But what I'll do is I'll have a go at putting this thing together. I'll pause you at that, and we'll come back if I can put this thing together and show you exactly what it does. So back very shortly. Okay, and there we are. That was actually very easy to put together, and it's surprisingly taut actually. I mean, like I said, this stuff's 70-year-old, and that's springy. In fact, I'll have a quick go on it. Let's whoa. You know what? I'll be showing my belly now, aren't I? I tell you what, the officers in World War II, they didn't get it half bad. I don't know where I'm going to make the rest of the video now, because it's a lovely sunny day and this is making the perfect sun lounger. Wow! That is actually really comfortable. I'm surprised at that. That is amazingly comfortable. So basically you'd have that and you put the sleeping bag on top of it, and you've got your chair for your side. I'll just show you how this thing comes apart, because it's brilliantly simple again. We flip it over, and all it consists of, I'm not sure what these flaps are for. I was talking to a mate earlier and he was mentioning something about mosquito netting, so I wonder if there's something to do with attaching mosquito netting to it, because it does have lots of other eyelets and holes and things like that that I haven't used. But basically these bars here are sprung steel. If you just pull them out, they just pop out like that. And then it's just as simple as pulling these so they disconnect, pulling those so they disconnect, and you fold that over like that, roll it up, and there you go. So there, that basically there is your bed. So you've got your bag. I will have to give that a clean out because it's full of debris and dust and stuff. I'll give that a good vacuum out. But you've got your bed. There's your base for your bed. It all fits in this bag. It was all designed for this bag. You've got your sleeping bag, and you've got your chair. Just webbing strap there, and that's it. As an officer, that was what you had. And so that's World War II. It is actually seen active duty by the look of the inscription and the fact it's actually got a soldier's name on it. So yeah, I thought I'd show you that interesting little video. Oh, what did I pay for this? I paid 42 quid for that lot. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm probably going to find someone that's interested in military stuff that can make use of it or display it or something like that. Providing I can make a little bit on it, I'm happy. So anyway, yeah, I thought you'd enjoy that little look at what I picked up from eBay today. And normal service will resume as soon as I can find a little bit of time and I can finish that Master System repair off. And I've got a few other repairs and a few other little projects in the pipeline which we'll be going through. So like I said, I'm going to leave it there for now. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching and goodbye.